What happens when you make 5 AI tools work together for a full work week? Less than the hype promises, but more than I expected. The writing assistant saved real time on first drafts, but every output still needed a human pass. Never publish it raw. The scheduling tool paid for itself in the first week just by killing back-and-forth emails. The one everyone hypes for, automating your whole job, mostly automated the boring 20%, not the actual 80%. AI tools are real-time savers, not replacements. Treat every output as a first draft, not a final answer. Follow for more honest tool breakdowns. No sponsorship fluff.